leave that birdie alone. Ow! Bite me hard. I'll just get out of here. Leave the birdie alone. Get out of here. There's something to do with this rub. I don't know if it's the rubber or what it is. Hey, leave the fuck, damn it. You bite this bird, I'm gonna kick your ass. Get out of here. Soka, you leave that bird alone. Soka could have that bird in her mouth in one second. I trained your bird to follow me. Told you I was an animal whisperer. So you need to have purple gloves on. He likes purple gloves. Your buddies?